Hi everybody. I just wanted to give you a quick little heads up. I just realized that it's been actually a month since I've uploaded any videos, and there's a good reason for that. I've now completed 6 hours of videos for my course that I'll be teaching this fall, which is CAD 1134 at Durham College. And so been crazy busy. I still have a couple more videos to do for that. And then I have actually a review and a teardown slash upgrade that I plan to do for my hot air gun. So there's some videos coming, and if you're interested in the AutoCAD, there will be some updates to that, and so hopefully I'll be posting videos on a regular basis starting next week. Um, as you can see from everything behind me, super busy, lots of work. My summer vacation was spent doing these videos and a lot of house repairs, getting ready for the fall. And so, yeah, I hope you look forward to some of my videos, and I look forward to your feedback. All right, thanks, and have yourself a great day.